The sky darkens. The wind howls. A bolt of lightning splinters a tree right before your eyes. This is no ordinary storm. This is a once-in-a-century tornado, registering F5 on the Fujita scale. This is Twister. Ride it out.
Wow, that was a close one. Hi, I'm Mike Hightower, and I'm standing in the middle of Twister, Ride It Out. Have you ever wondered how we could create a 5-story tornado inside a building? After studying the physics of vortices, we designed and installed an array of large fans, strategically placed to imitate Mother Nature at her worst. Starting with an empty building, we had to continually readjust the wind patterns, because every time we added a new set piece, the dynamics of the tornado would change. Once the set was finished, we realized we still needed to see how the wind patterns would work with a real audience. So, we brought in 240 mannequins to stand in for the final stages of testing. From start to finish, it took 18 months to create this attraction, which features 50 different special effects. Once you stepped inside Twister, Ride It Out, you'll know what it's like to look a tornado right in the eye and survive.